You are going to love the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, front license plate bracket, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.